Home Remedies presents Cuts Cough Like a Knife, Expectorant, Natural Antibiotic for Bronchitis and Pharyngitis. Today I will share with you a natural antibiotic for bronchitis and pharyngitis. Fortunately, most cases of bronchitis resolve on their own and don't require medical treatment. Home remedies are best to be used here to alleviate some of your symptoms while you recover. Onions are believed to have expectorant qualities that can help thin out the mucus secretions. According to the health expert, onions can cure cold, cough, high fever, sore throat, and boosts immunity. Ginger is a proven anti-inflammatory agent. During bronchitis, your airways are inflamed and irritated. Ginger can reduce the inflammation, helping to ease the cough. Lemon juice is an old trick to help ease bronchitis symptoms, especially an irritated throat or dry cough. Let's now see how to make this easy remedy at home. Ingredients: lemon 1, ginger 1-inch piece, onion 1, cloves 8 to 10, water 1.5 liter. Procedure: take the lemon and slice it with peels. Peel the ginger. Now take an onion, peel and cut it in half. Now fix the cloves in the onion, 5 on one side and 5 on the other as shown in the picture. Add all the ingredients in a saucepan and add water. Turn on the stove and boil for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn off the stove and let it cool. Once cool, strain it in a jug. Pour in a glass. Add a teaspoon of honey, mix well and take it. Once you wake up and before sleeping, take a glass lukewarm of this drink every day. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.